Good morning, guys. The date is 20th of April. So we have taken the positions. We are sitting on a 14,500 straddle in Nifty account, and we are sitting on a 31,500 straddle in Bank Nifty account. In Bank Nifty, we have almost collected 25 to 30 points of decay, and in Nifty, we have collected close to 3 points of decay. So हमने क्या किया है? We had bought some hedges here. So because of that, we still have a lot of room to add some more quantities. So what we're going to do is we are going to add another 600 quantities. All right. Looks like the market is going to go sideways because Nifty IT has gapped up and it is heading down. Reliance has gapped up and it's going sideways. HDFC is also gapped up, and like pretty much everything had gapped up, and now it is kind of consolidating. So when it comes to the MTMs, so we are looking at a slight drawdown here because the premiums are kind of behaving erratically. 140. So let's keep the stop loss for this, for the puts. So what's the idea? The idea is, as long as 14,580 is not breached, we are going to be not doing anything. But at the same time, if 14,450 is breached, we are going to shift this 14,500 straddle back to 14,450 straddle. Suddenly the IVs are spiking up because both the call side and put side IVs are spiking up. Because of that, we are looking at a good drawdown, because as of now we are sitting at exactly 14,500. जहां पे हमने straddle बनाया है वहीं पे है, but because of the IV spike, both the options are gaining a lot of traction. So let's see, guys. Like, since it is an IV spike, all we have to do is just wait out. The VIX has fallen not significantly, but 2% fall in the VIX. Alright, guys, we made one adjustment. What we did is we closed half of our 14,500 straddle and we shifted it to 14,450 straddle. That's because the market has been looking weak and the day's low is also breached. So because of that, we lost a couple of points in slippages as well. And यहाँ पे अभी we are looking at a 3-point drawdown, but that's okay, I guess. So once this low is breached, once the day's low is breached, so that should potentially hold as a good support. But अगर वो जो days low breach कर देता है, then we're gonna shift all our 14,500 straddle to 14,450 straddle. And coming to Bank Nifty, we're sitting pretty much cost to cost because the decay is not at all happening. I think we just need to hold on to the range. अगर range hold कर देता है, तो then we might look at some decay. But we are sitting on it because the calls are not that spiking that badly, because the calls are just trading around 20 rupees from our entry price and the puts are trading around 25 rupees from the entry price. So currently we are pretty much cost to cost, and at the same time Nifty is also, we are slightly moving into the green zone. Alright, guys, the time is 10:11, and just because Nifty has started sliding and along with Bank Nifty, हमने क्या adjustment किया है? Like, we have completely closed our 14,500 straddle and we are sitting on a 14,450 straddle. So currently we are looking at around close to 2 to 3 points of drawdown, but that's okay, I guess. Just देखो, like MTM wise we are looking at around 4 or 5k of drawdown, but if you look at points basis, it's just 2 to 3 points, 2 to 2.5 points of drawdown, which is pretty manageable. And on the Bank Nifty account, we have collected close to 35-40 points of decay. तो अभी scene क्या है? Nifty IT is looking extremely weak, and Reliance is kind of consolidating. But the concerning thing is both HDFC twins, both HDFC Bank and HDFC, we are looking at a solid downtrend in HDFC and HDFC Bank, which kind of indicates that the FIIs are not actually willing to buy at the present situation, because FIIs will sell at the first signs of danger. So now that the corona thing and all is going on, so those people are not willing to take any risk at this point of time, is what we are thinking. It might be, we might be wrong, but this is what currently it looks like. Now, until this swing 14,480 is not taken out, 14,480 is not taken out, till then there won't be any adjustments to this position, because I'm guessing this 14450 call won't spike as much as this put will decay from now on. So that's why we're going to hold on to this until this 14450 call goes above, let's say 115, 110 or 112. If it spikes up by more than another 10 or 15 points, only then we're going to look for any adjustments. Till then, like, we're not going to do any adjustments as of now. And here also the bank nifty is also kind of taking support from the pivot, and it is heading higher. The main culprit is Reliance just broke out on the back of moderate volumes. I won't say very good volumes, but moderate volumes के साथ ही मतलब Reliance breakout दिया है. But since it has a resistance above it, because वो जो gap है which will act as a resistance, so I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna pan out. Alright guys, the time is 10:30, just a bit over 10:30, and market is hovering near 14,450 levels. So, and even Bank Nifty has slightly come down, which is good for our Bank Nifty positions as well. So the idea remains the same. So as of now, there won't be any further change in the plan. The plan will be, if Nifty heads above, let's say 14,480 or something, we're going to come out of this position and we have to rethink. And at the same time, if Nifty falls below 14,430, or if it crosses the day's low, I mean the confluence of these things, these two moving averages and this daily pivot, they're going to again look at what to be done. So we'll be doing adjustments at that point of time. All right guys, so the time is 12:47, and as we expected, the market has cascaded down. So पूरा नीचे तक पूरा cascade हो गया है, right? The market has kind of cascaded down, and even Bank Nifty, though it looked like it's gonna go higher in the second candle देख के ऐसे लग रहा था कि yes, it might give a breakout towards the upside, but thanks to HDFC twins, both HDFC and HDFC Bank have been continuously in downtrend. Fortunately for the markets, Reliance is holding the levels. So Reliance completely consolidated हो चुका है. Because of that, the market is kind of holding. Else, it would have fallen another 50 points. So since my last update, I did a couple of other adjustments, but I couldn't record it because I was outside to get my grandma vaccinated, because of which I did the adjustments using phone. And trust me when I say this, never trade using your phone. Okay? Even though it's as good a platform as Zerodha, don't trade using your phone. अगर आप एक लॉट दो लॉट करते हैं तो फिर भी ठीक है, चलता है. But anything above that, never trade using your phone. The slippages are huge and you'll be facing a lot of problems. So that's what happened with me also. I entered into a 14,400 straddle, though like I captured some decay in that. Ultimately, I had to give up a lot of points to slippages. But I have pulled out completely from the trade, because once this ये जो level था, this got breached, the next support will be somewhere around this level, 14,300 levels. But even the premiums are kind of spiking up. So इसलिए what I've done is I've completely closed my levels. I mean, I've completely came out of the straddle. And even now the 14,350 straddle, अगर 14,350 straddle की बात करते हैं, तो even now 14,350 straddle has almost 196 points, which is huge, which is really huge. तो अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं? What we're gonna do is we're gonna think and re-enter 14,350 straddle if possible. अगर ये जो दोनों अगर equal price पे मिल जाता है, then we might look at re-entering the straddle. But apart from that, nothing. And here also, Bank Nifty also, we pulled out. I won't say at the exact right moment. जब pull out करने के बाद भी Bank Nifty थोड़ा बहुत halt किया. But after that, now we would have given our stop losses. तो stop loss hit हो जाता था. इसमें भी. Okay, all right. What we have done is we have entered 14,350 put and 14,400 call. So it's a 50-point triangle, and we got like decent fills in that. And suddenly we are looking at another 2-point capture from that. So what we're gonna do is, if this 86 rupees starts spiking up to a 92 or something, so we'll look at shifting all these 14,400 calls to 14,350 calls. So we'll sit on a 14,350 straddle at that point of time. Else, if 14,350 is not breached and if 14,350 is held, we're going to hold on to this. So once this starts spiking to, let's say, 93, 94, then even this should be somewhere around 100 or 90, 98, 100. So then we'll look at adjusting. till then, like, this position is good to hold. In any case, like, we have put the stop loss. So currently the MTM is 15 to 16k in this account and another 3k in this account. So we're not going to trade anything in the Bank Nifty account right now. So we'll be only trading with Nifty account. We had to roll down the calls. So calls को हमने roll down करना पड़ा, and because of which we had to lose in some slippages. So we lost around 1-2 points in slippages, not 2 points, in fact like 3 points in slippages. But that's part of the game, can't help it. And now the thing is, once 14,390 is breached, then we're going to come out of this straddle. And if the day's low is breached, let's say 14,330 or 14,325 is breached, then also we're going to coming out of the straddle. Like, we're not going to do any more adjustments to this. Okay guys, like, I've come out of all the positions because this looks like a very solid bullish pattern. This is a bullish pattern, right? Double bottom, and then again it's formed a W pattern, and it's kind of breaking a trend line. So there might be sudden short covering rally, and considering that the time is 1:30, and also the premiums are not at all decaying. I mean, look at this. The 14,400 straddle still has almost 95 plus 85, almost 180-185 rupees premium left in it, which is absolutely high. So yes, the probability, मतलब probability के हिसाब से अभी decay होने का chances बहुत काफी ज़्यादा है. But at the same time, think in terms of the positional buyers. These positional option sellers, they are taking a huge amount of risk. They are taking a lot of risk, and of course they are expecting some good premiums considering that tomorrow is a holiday and there has been quite some news around. So they are actually taking higher risk and they are expecting some sort of higher premiums to take home. So I think it's because of that the premiums are not at all coming down. And if we actually enter now, we have a very good chance of making good premiums. But and as I said, since premium decay is not happening that much, I'm not interested in sitting for the rest of the day. So I think I'm gonna just call it a day. So we made around 15k in this and around 3k in this. So pretty much 18k for the day, which is almost 1% of the margin blocked. Exactly not quite happy, but considering the fact that, like, I had to manage half of my trades using my phone and we lost a lot on slippage and stuff like that. So not a bad outcome. I mean, not a shabby outcome. Nothing to be sad about, but at the same time, nothing to be, be happy about as well. So having said that, I think this is the end of my trading day, guys. And most probably, okay, I'm not exactly sure because the premiums are very attractive. तो अभी भी मतलब मन कर रहा है कि मतलब straddle पे बैठ जाऊं कहीं कोई तो straddle पे. But as I said, since the decay is not happening that fast, so I'm not actually pretty much interested in playing the straddles. So most probably this is the end of my trading day. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.